Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, August 19th, 2022. Let's find out what's going on the Forex calendar. As you can see, the most important events are only two during today's session. The first most important event is the retail sales data from the UK already published. And what do we have here? Slight increase to 0.3%, beats the expectations of minus 0.2% and the previous reading of 0.2% on minus as well. So pretty good data from the UK retail sales, jump to 0.3%. The other key event today is the core retail sales. These data are from Canada and are scheduled for release 2:30. As you can see, core retail sales are expected to drop from 1.9% to 0.9%. So retail sales in UK increased, core retail sales in Canada expected to drop. If they will increase as well, just as it is in the UK, then of course we might see temporary strength of the Canadian dollar. Nevertheless, let's find out what is going on the USD to the Canadian dollar, the daily time frame chart now. US dollar to the Canadian dollar daily time frame chart. What do we have here? We got the bounce from 1.2726 where the pin bar was made. Then we got one extra day to confirm this pin bar and big green candle to the upside. As you can see, we almost hit the technical resistance. However, we needed to wait like 3 days in order to bulls follow the path to the north and hit 1.2964. Now we're waiting for 1.2983 to be hit, and if those levels are violated, then of course the next target is 1.3079. Please notice the fact that we recently tried to bounce higher. However, this attempt was capped just at the level of 1.2983. so price action around this level will be the key price action for today as well. The market of the Canadian dollar doesn't actually move anywhere in a strong trend. More likely this is the market that moves up and down from the overbought market conditions to the oversold market conditions, and there isn't anything that we can compare it to right now on the other markets. Very specific market. However, if the retail sales data from Canada will beat the expectations, the US dollar to the Canadian dollar might see temporary decline because people will be selling US dollar and buying the Canadian dollar. So that's the outlook for the USD to the CAD. Let's take a look at another interesting market. This is the US dollar to the Japanese yen. So what do we have here? The first thing is that on this daily time frame chart, let's just switch to 4 hour, and you can clearly see that we are still developing the wave wave B to the upside. Right now this is the wave C of the wave B. So we got wave A, wave B, and wave C of the overall wave B correction. Where are we heading? It looks like the next target is 137.08. However, I would change this line to red, copy it, and put one more level here around 137.47. so this is the target zone for the wave B, and maybe I will just put the ABC correction for all of you interested in the Elliott wave trading. This is A, B, and possibly C, but this is of course different degrees, so that's even lower than minor, maybe sub-minuet. There you go. Maybe something even micro. Right, sub-minuet will looks better. There you go. So we got the ABC in the wave B. It looks like a kind of a zigzag because it's pretty intense here and it's impulsive. However, this is only the wave B to the upside correction, and we should see the decline soon after the wave C of the wave B is completed. The other market for today will be of course the S&P 500, so S&P 500 index. Very nice market movement to the upside. We got this ABC correction almost completed, and as you can see, we passed the 161% Fibonacci projection level. I think we should put 2. There you go, 2, exactly, the 2 and 1 point, no, there's nothing like this. Okay, 1.61 is the last one. So wave C measured from the bottom of the wave B is a double length of the wave A. So as you can see, this is kind of a rarely used Fibonacci retracement, projection level. 4,353, the high was just around 4,318, so there is something missing here. Maybe this measurement is not really that precise, because that's really rarely used kind of a Fibonacci measurement. We broke above the 61%, we broke above the 50%, we broke above the key supply zone 4,114, 4,180. So right now this supply zone will now be demand zone, because it was clearly violated, and we have a new local high. However, let me just change this color to the green, and you can see it right now. We got big demand zone here, very specific green color. If we take a look at this chart, we can clearly see that there is a trend line here, and maybe the market will try to test it before the next big move will happen. So if we take a look at this perspective, please notice the fact that we are very close to this trend line. I will change this trend line to the normal color for me, which is of course the orange. So now everyone knows what I'm talking about, and the market reaction on this zone is the key reaction in the short term. This move here looks very dynamic, looks impulsive. So we need a confirmation from the Elliott wave, which is the breakout below 3,948, in order to confirm ABC to the upside, and not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So if there is a rejection beneath the trend line, and the market will test the 4,180, 4,114 zone again, and then rally to the upside, this scenario here, ABC to the upside, gets most likely invalidated and will be changed to 1, 2, 3, potential 4, potential 5th wave to the upside. So please be very careful and stay focused, because what the market will do in the coming days around this level and around the demand zone right now will be the key market behavior for the next few weeks. We need a invalidation, or we need a confirmation for our scenario to be, of course, confirmed or invalidated. Right now, please notice the fact that on a daily time frame chart we are on the extremely overbought market conditions. So it might be ABC and we might see a sell-off. However, as I said, we need a breakout below 3,948, and then of course we can change this. We don't have to change this ABC correction. It's already stretched. It is already extended to the level of potential level of 4,353, where the 200% Fibonacci extension is. However, still plenty of things can happen. We need to observe the current market. It looks like this correction is the biggest correction during the downtrend is bigger than this one, and is bigger than this one. So as I said, if we see some sort of the consolidation, some sort of the triangle pattern forming here, and then breakout to the upside, most likely this count will be changed to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the S&P 500, and then of course there is a chance for another rally on the S&P 500 very, very soon. So that's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.